Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. KHAIZRAN. I'm from Pakistan. I recently passed my MRCP 1 exam and I would like to contribute my success to MRCP syndrome for the most part because it was the resource I used along with past medicine. As we all know that we need to have grip over a good question bank for passing this exam. So I chose past medicine and it was really difficult initially, but when I found out about MRCP syndrome, so how I found about MRCP syndrome was that I had heard that there are people who have these courses for all the exams, whether it be FCPS or PLAB or MRCP. So I just searched, and the first that came up on my search was MRCP syndrome. Then I looked at the reviews, they were very promising, and someone I knew had also been Dr. AHAD'S student. So I subscribed to the course. I took the course which had all the components. I had the MADBOX course, the Past Medicine Pearl course, the BM John examination course, the past papers course, all of it. So I took that. I started off because I work a fairly busy job. I started off with the Past Medicine Pearl course. I used to listen to all of Dr. Aad's lectures, and then I used to attempt the MCQ system wise from Past Medicine. So it was fairly easy for me because I had already reviewed all the theoretical portion from the video lectures, so I was able to attempt the MCQs swiftly. Then after I was done with one reading of past medicine and Dr. Hal's lectures, I was making my own notes side by side. Then after I was done with that, I shifted to the past papers course. I did all the past papers that were given on the course website. And then towards the end of it, I did the remaining courses, which was the BM John examination course and MADBOX course. Out of all the courses, I feel like MADBOX is the golden star. So I did MADBOX almost 2 weeks before my exam because, as I've said, that I work a fairly difficult job, so it was not possible for me to manage my preparation like in a systematical order. So I was doing it whenever I was getting time. So I did MADBOX, and then again I started revision from my own notes that I had made, and it was very, very helpful. The challenge that I was faced with was that obviously, because it is a very comprehensive exam, you need a lot of time to prepare for it, especially when you're working. It can be a bit difficult, but MADBOX especially and all of Dr. Had's resources made it very easy for me to do it. So to all the people who are attempting the exams, I feel like it is very doable. You can do it. You just need to commit to it and prioritize and strategize how you're going to go for it. So I wish you best of luck for all your future endeavors. To everyone who is attempting the MRCP exam, it is doable. I used to think that it was very difficult and I cannot do it, but I did it. So anyone can do it, and I fully recommend MRCP syndrome. And under Dr. Ahad's guidance and mentorship, you can attempt and pass any exam in the world. Thank you so much.